here. I think I will be going to ask some of the members of the family members of our debutant for some facts about, of course, our debutant. Because as I have said earlier, there are things that maybe only few know about Rhea. So let's see. Where are the family members? From the mother. Tita. Ay, sige, wag daw. Pass daw muna. Ito na lang sa first table. Aaron, what is your relation to Rhea?
Huwag daw payaya. Wait.
Sabi ko po kay Rhea, makulit po siya, tapos malaming kaibigan, kasi po kapatid siya ng barkada namin ng sir, yun po, yung tuloy na lagi nga parang kulay na kuya na din. Mabait po siya sa makulit. Ganun din.
Yan, dahil mahilig na Aaron. How can you describe Rhea in one word?
Word lang yan. Word lang pare. Bakal na.
Makulit. Yun lang.
One word na. He is a man of few words, I think. Ito, pinsan ka, diba? Who is Rhea? Who is Rhea Celebrity Crush? Who is Rhea Celebrity Crush?
Bro, silipin mo doon. Silipin mo ba?
Hindi daw. Ano ba yun?
Hindi kami close eh, pagdating sa mga close ko na yan. Siguro si Artan na yun.
Si, ikaw naman, Kelsey. What do you think is Rhea's strong positive trait? Very positive na kung anong meron sa Rhea.
Malakas po ang loob niyan.
Yan. Since medyo sila yung magpapoint ng mind natin. Ito, kahit nakadating lang. Di ba Kuya PJ, sobrang kilala pa si Rhea? What is Rhea's favorite color? Totoo? Totoo? Black daw. Is it true? Ano daw? Alam mo daw ang totoo. Wala daw. Ayun. Sino pa ba? Mga nandito po sa kabilang table. Yung the lady in floral dress na sobrang ganda. Please come over here. Yan. What's your name? What is your relation to our debutant? Shot ako po siya.
Friend lang po kami at saka simula pagkabata lang kasama na rin kami. Stay pretty.
Stay pretty. Ayun. And ayan. Si Tita, asan na si Tita Anas? Meron akong gustong itanong sa kanya. Kasi po, di ba, Tita, may natanong po ako sa inyo. Kasi po, di ba, historically, having a debut is dun sa, is yung pagpe-present ng kanilang mga young ladies para sa mga bachelors. Di ba ganun yun? Para ipakilala that the young lady is already matured enough and ready na siya. And parang pinapakilala, parang naghahanap ng the right bachelor for the maiden who is the debutant. Ngayon, Tita Anams, ang gusto ko pong itanong sa inyo, what age do you want Rhea to get married? Spokesperson na lang po natin si Ate Rhea. Agad may pagka-French pala yung family taba. Ayan. And this juncture, we are requesting the 18 bachelors that are debutants selected for their 18 roses. For the 18 roses. Because later, like a flower that blossoms and exudes its sweet scents to attract bees and butterflies, the debutant will be swarmed by our 18 bachelors who are equally gentle, of course. So I am inviting those bachelors for the 18 roses. Again, we are requesting the 18 bachelors for the